Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through an amazing Shopify offer you can't miss. With the exclusive link below, you get a 3-day free trial, plus the first month for only $1, which is a 90% savings off the usual monthly fee. Just click the link in the description to start enjoying this deal immediately. The process is straightforward. Clicking my link automatically activates the free trial and the discount on Shopify, so you don't need any special codes. For those unsure about the next steps, here's a quick guide. After clicking the link in the description, you'll land on a special page on Shopify. This page is only visible through the link I've provided. To register, just enter your email and click Start Free Trial. You might see a form to fill out, which you can either complete or skip. After that, set your region and finalize creating your account. Upon account creation, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. It's wise to select a plan right away to begin your business without interruptions. Shopify offers 3 main plans: Basic, Shopify, and Advanced, all typically at a higher price, but with my link, you pay just $1 for the first month. You can try Shopify's tools and features for just $1 and decide if it's the right platform for you, a steal given Shopify's reputation as a premier e-commerce platform. Here's a quick rundown of the plans. The Basic Shopify plan, ideal for small businesses aiming for an extensive online store with unlimited items and multi-channel selling. The Shopify plan includes everything in Basics, plus performance reports, 5 staff accounts, gift cards, and abandoned cart recovery, great for international sales. The Advanced plan, best for large businesses with high volume sales, offering unlimited storage, 15 staff accounts, advanced reporting, and e-commerce automation. All plans are definitely worth considering based on your business needs. That's all for this video. Hope it helps, and don't forget to use the link in the description to claim this special Shopify deal. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. Enjoy your day.